Alright guys, this is what I made today. It's my hitch mounted, what do you call that, vise. So I mean, Harbor Freight sells one that you can just slide on it, but I wanted something that I can turn and put it upside down so that I'm able to do some stuff on the trailer. This is the little trailer that I have set up. I'm going to be setting up for roll calls and stuff. So yeah, oh crap. So this is what I made today. It's just a little hitch mounted vise that I'm able to rotate and put into my hitch if I needed to, or put it in here, or put it in a hitch of a truck or anything like that. That way I'm able to pivot and do whatever I need to. Setting it up on this trailer here, making my my air gun and all that stuff, and then I mounted this box right here, which I mounted it inside the top of that box there, which keeps some of the stuff. And it's just 4 holes, but nice and sturdy. Now I gotta figure out how to mount some. I'm gonna make some light mounts and stuff, and box this in. That way I'm able to keep a lot. I gotta keep some stuff over here now, that even my tire stuff that I'm going to keep on in here right now. And yeah, but I want to make that right there. That way, instead of being in the floor doing that, I have one now that I can have in there, and I'm able to take it out in case it's raining or anything. That way I can put it away, and I'm going to make a couple of other attachments, I think, that I could just slide in there if I want to. This one for a good price because the motor was seized on it. I worked on it for, I don't know, when I was doing the rebuild on a B model, but I got it working. And yeah, and this actually, it's working out pretty good now. It needed some work on the carb, and like I had to take the whole thing, almost the whole thing apart, and clean up the contacts in the inside, take the carburetor off, clean everything, mess with this little throttle controller for the hash, and then this right here wasn't working too good. But anyways, I mean, now it's good shape. But the price that I got it, I could not. I mean, it was a good deal. It needed a couple stuff. I still got the other ones. Just needed that one, but I mean, these Honda motors, man, they're good. It's just a little finicky sometimes. They're hard to start, and it's usually because in the inside here you have the rotating assembly, which it tells the spark plug when to fire. Just go ahead and get you a new spark plug and take that off and sand it just a little bit, and it will make it way better. And Northern Tools, this one only does 130, but it's got like 10 plus CFM, so I did want something like that it outputs a lot more for the half-inch gun. So yeah guys, this works great whenever I'm doing tires, even on my truck. The reason I wanted it is because if, for example, it's gonna rain or anything like that, or I need to make another attachment. Oh crap, I need 2 hands for this. Hold on, take it off, and see that mark right there is where I'm going to make the hole for the so that I can slide it in and mount it into a hitch. So I can mount it in a hitch just like that. Allow me to work on it if I need to. Dual purpose, and all I did is I made I need to paint it more, but yeah, that's all it is, right?